Lately, we've been hearing the advice of scientists being dismissed as merely opinion, or worse, conspiracies by people with an axe to grind. It's tempting to believe this when scientists tell us to make painful changes, like buying more expensive light bulbs or regulating the types of vehicles car makers can build. It's reasonable to question how scientists know what they say they know and to want proof that there aren't better solutions to problems. In fact, that's the way scientists around the world test the theories of other scientists to make sure they're not just wishful thinking. The entire process from research to conclusion is known as the scientific method. It starts with questions like, what causes this illness? Or why have these farm crops been dying? Those questions spur curious scientists to devote lifetime careers researching everything related to their topics. The evidence found in their research helps them build a hypothesis, a possible explanation. To see if their hypothesis is right, they test it with carefully controlled experiments, changing just one thing to see if they get the result predicted by their hypothesis. If they're proven right, they report their results to the world. But what if they're not entirely right, or just flat out wrong? Well, they report that to the world too, because today's failure may just lead to tomorrow's answer. Then it's back to the drawing board to build on their success or revise their hypothesis and try again. But one success isn't considered scientific fact. Far from it. Their peers, other scientists in their field of study, try to disprove their results. It's like the world is trying to prove them wrong. This is a standard practice among scientists around the world, known as peer review. This adversarial relationship between scientists, they're not known to be the most unified group of buddies, means that scientists are forced to reject anything that can't be independently proven by others. The scientific method allows science to be self-correcting. It removes personal bias from conclusions we consider to be scientific fact. So, the next time you hear someone say that scientists don't really know the answers, ask yourself whether that conclusion was reached through the scientific method or because the scientist's conclusion was simply inconvenient.